this unit is about reverse percentages. This video is going to cover F2, complete a reverse percentage problem when there has been a decrease, and F3, complete a reverse percentage problem when there has been an increase. Okay, a number has been decreased by 20% and the answer is 72. First, we need to know what does that mean. So a number has been decreased by 20%. That means 80%. 100 take away 20. So 80% of it is 72. Now, if I want to know what is the original amount from 80%, I need just to find 100%. So to get from 80% to 100%, I would get to 10% first and then 100%. From 80% to get to 10% divided by 8, then times by 10 to get to 100%. The same applies in both sides. 72 divided by 8, 9, times by 10, 90. So 90 has been decreased by 20% and the answer is 72. Please pause the video and have a go at this question. Okay, a number has been decreased by 30%. The answer is 42. What does that mean? It's been decreased by 30%. So 100% is subtracted by 30. So 70% is 42. Now we are looking for the original amount. So the same process applies here. From 70%, I need to find the 100%. Easiest way, get to 10%, then 100. From 70 to 10, divide by 7. From 10 to 100, times by 10. Same process applies in both sides. And the final answer is 60. So 16 has been decreased by 30% and the answer is 42. Okay, a number is increased by 25%. The answer is 75. What does that mean? It's been increased. So 100, it added to 25. So 125% is 75. And again, we're looking for the original amount here. So 125 is 75. And we want to know what is the original amount. So I can divide both sides by 5 to get to 25%. $75 divided by 5 is 15. Then from 25 to get to 100% can be times by 4. That applies to both sides as well. 15 times by 4 is 60. So I could say 60 is increased by 25% and the answer is 75. Okay. For the next example, I want you to pause a video here and have a go at this question. A number is increased by 5%. The answer is 42. What does that mean? It means 100 plus 5. So 105% is 42. And what is the original amount here? So we say 105 is 42. To get to 100%, I could get to 5% first. That means both sides has to be divided by 21. (42) divided by 21 is 2. From here, you have two ways of answering it. I'm just gonna show both of them, and it's absolutely up to you which one you wanna choose. We could say 100% is equal to 105 subtracted by 5%. And we have both amount. So 105% is 42. 5% is 2. And 42 subtract by 2 is 40. So the 100% is 40. Or I could just carry on the diagram that we have and ignore this green part in total. So we could say from 105 we get to 5. Now I want to get from 5 to 100%. That means 5 should be times by 20, and 2 is going to be times by 20 as well. And the answer is 2 times 20 is 40. As you can see, both approaches correct and give us the same answer. Is up to you which one you want to use. 40 is increased by 5%, and the answer is 42.